Hey, what's up? My name is John. I'm going to show you how to do the coffee grinder. It goes like this. Alright. Alright, good. You want to start with a good position, which is on your toes. Right here. You should be comfortable in this position, build little leg muscles. You can bounce up and down, feel good. Alright. So next is your hands. If your right leg is out, your left hand is going to be back. Right here. You see my left hand is not on my palm, like this. Alright? It's like this. Not on my palm. Also my body is not too far spread out, like this. That's an exaggeration. But you want to be more like this, so it's easier to work with. Okay? So, starting with the left leg going around, in a good position on your toes, your hand out to the right, left leg out on your heel. Now as beginners, it's fine if you want to, maybe not lift your leg up as you spin it. You want to slide it against the floor. That's fine as a beginner. So, right leg out, right arm out, left leg out. You want to spin, left arm goes down, right arm goes down. You jump off your right leg and finish right here. Alright. So 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. So real quick. That's the coffee grinder. And when you get better, you can, start with your left leg out and end with your right leg out, or vice versa. So left hand out, right leg out, I'm gonna spin, and with my left leg out. So again, right leg out, spin, left leg out. Same way. 1, 2. So that's the coffee grinder. That's it.